Just recently, we announced our 2025 reserves certification on the ASX. It shows our net oil and gas proved and probable reserves, or 2P, rose a very healthy 6.8% to 12.35 million BOE as of January 1st, 2025. There are some key points to highlight here when you dig into the detail. Firstly, we produced over 500,000 BOE in FY24, so what our reserve certification shows is that we replaced, on a 2P basis, just over 150% of our production. This is a key metric to look at to determine the health of any upstream oil company, and we're very pleased at this outcome. Secondly, year over year, we grew our proved developed producing, or PDP, reserves by a whopping 50% to 2.65 million BOE, equivalent to about 5 times our 2024 production. PDPs are reserves of hydrocarbons that can be produced from existing wells and facilities, and thus point to a significant uplift in Brookside's revenue-generating assets thanks to previously invested capex. It's the PDPs which underpin our expectation of a material uplift in production in 2025 and beyond. Thirdly, reserve estimates are affected by fluctuations in commodity price assumptions. In accordance with the methodology prescribed by the US Security and Exchange Commission, often an oil company's reserves can increase by virtue of an increase in such assumptions. For 2025's estimate, however, WTI oil price assumptions used by the certifiers was actually lowered by about 4% to reflect the lower oil price environment, while the gas price assumptions were 19% lower. Yet, we still grew our reserve base. This is another extremely encouraging indicator of the health of Brookside's business. Finally, our reserves remain wet, in other words, predominantly oil and natural gas liquids. 57% of our reserves are such liquids, unchanged from last year, so there's been no diminution in the leverage we offer to investors with a positive view on oil prices. In about late April, we'll be releasing our March quarterly report, so stay alert for more insights into the health of Brookside.